Welcome back. Today we are tackling a classic coding interview problem, removing duplicates from a sorted array. This is an essential problem to master because it teaches you the two-pointer technique, a pattern used in many efficient algorithms. Here is our goal. We are given an array of integers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order. However, it contains duplicates. Our job is to modify this array so that each unique element appears only once at the beginning. Finally, we need to return the count of these unique elements. The key detail here is that the array is sorted. This is a huge hint. It means all duplicate instances of a number are grouped together. You will never find a duplicate of a number 5 positions away. It will always be the immediate neighbor. There is a catch. You must do this in place. You are not allowed to create a second array to filter the items, which would be easy but costs extra memory. We need to solve this with big O of one constant extra space, modifying the input directly. To solve this efficiently, we use the two-pointer technique. We use a slow pointer, let's call it I, which tracks the position of the last unique element we found, and a fast pointer, J, which scouts ahead through the array to find new values. Let's walk through it. We start I at index 0 and J at index 1. We compare the values at these indices. Here, both are 1. Since they are the same, we know the value at J is a duplicate. We simply move J forward and do nothing else. Now J is at index 2, pointing to the value 2. We compare it with our current unique value at I, which is 1. They are different. This means we found a new unique number. We increment I to the next slot and copy the value from J into I. We have effectively secured the number 2 in our unique list. Here is the implementation. We handle the edge case of an empty array first. Then we initialize I to 0. We loop J starting from 1 to the end. Whenever we find a mismatch, we increment I and update the array. Finally, we return I plus 1 because I is an index and the length is always index plus 1. This solution is highly efficient. The time complexity is big O of n because we pass through the array exactly once. The space complexity is big O of 1, satisfying the constraint, as we only use 2 integer variables for our pointers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.